Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix and how can you solve the problem when your speakers are not working. So guys, this problem is very common and it is very well known in iPhone. So how can you solve that issue in your mobile phone? Firstly, we just have to understand that we can check our mobile phone that mobile phone is on silent mode or not, and if this is in silent mode you just have to disable silent mode from this button here on the left top of your phone's body. After that, what we have to do, just go on your setting option here. This is my setting on my home page, you can see, and you will find an option called sounds and haptics below notification center here. Click on the sound and haptics and you can just set your sound from here like this. Increase it to the full volume. Check your volume buttons for multimedia sound. So these three steps are preliminary steps. Now what we have to do, we just have to check our speakers that they are working or not. You can contact to Apple customer care service for your phone speaker replacement or repairment. So this video is all about this. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any suggestion, any query or any confusion about any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. We will make a video separate on that topic soon. Thank you so much for watching it.